In this video, we will create calculator. Yes, calculator in Python. This is our mini project. Yes, this is our first mini project using Jupyter Notebook. Okay, let us start. First, open Jupyter Notebook. Okay, yes, create new. Okay, and change name. This is our first project. So, calculator and first. Okay, first I will create some functions. First, addition function, subtractions, division, and multiplication. Okay, so create function. Def. Okay, def add. Okay. Parameter is a and b, and next return a plus b. Okay, and next. Okay, create this function. Def create next function. Def subtract. Add two parameters and return a minus b, and second function def multiply. Okay, this work, and parameters and enter, and return a multiply b, and next def. Okay, def divide parameter a comma b, and next if I will use condition because next value not divided by 0, so coming error. Okay, so use condition if b equal to 0, so return error. Okay, which error? Division by 0. Okay, this is error. So next, so return a divided by b. Okay, and complete. Use only 4 functions. Okay, and next menu drive. Okay, menu drive, and menu drive print. First print and 10 calculator, sorry, simple calculator. Okay, and next, and complete, and print. Okay, and 1 comma sorry, add capital addition. Okay, addition, and move, and print, and next 2. Okay, 2 comma subtraction, action, and next print, and third point multiplication, multiplication, okay, multiplication, and next print, and fourth is fourth, sorry, fourth, okay, fourth is division. Division, okay, right, and print next, okay, print 5, yes, 5, okay, and 5 is x, and done. This is our menu, okay, and we'll use input, so choose input by user, so enter the your choice, okay, choice 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, okay, and done, complete, okay, and next number 1, and number one is input, so copy this line, okay, and copy it, change some point, enter your first first number, okay, and next same line, this copy and print and change second, and next if I use conditions, so if choose, okay, sorry, choose spelling wrong, choose equal to 1, okay, choose 1, so return, and no, not use return, print, okay, print result space all this function, okay, so copy and argument 1 and comma argument 2, okay, and 1 and 2 this, okay, and complete, okay, and copy this argument again and just change number and change call function, use this function and copy, control C and enter and print, okay, and next use this argument again, copy and print and change argument, change choosing values, first this argument copy, calling function copy and divide and see, okay, and use this line and okay, and conditions complete. And next, just copy and paste and use 5 and not use argument. Sorry, argument not use instance. Okay, and just print and close. Okay, bus. And use break. Sorry, break. And okay, and choose one line. I will choose loop. Okay, so use loop conditions true. And true. And check, and this conditions error and check. Okay, all functions correctly. Paste good and good. This menu is good. Choose sorry, because user give input by just use int, because int convert integer into the using. Use int work string, convert string into the integer. Okay, because user takes user gives strings. Okay, and comma the and check, run again, and just return a divided, divide wrong. And right, so and does not match any to y. Oh, change. Okay, and check. Okay, enter your first choice. Choice is addition. So 2 number and 25, which add resulted 37. Yes, बिल्कुल right. Okay, and enter the choice. Choice is 2. Add minus subtraction and 3, which result sorry sorry subtract and run again and enter 2, use 12. Okay, and 6, and result is 6. Okay, and next 3 3s multiplication divisions. Okay, and check division. Okay, and division by 12 by 2, and answer is 6.0. Yes, good. And next, and looping statement exit. So enter 5 and 5. Why? Enter your first number, enter your second number, and check. Oh, sorry. Okay, closed. Okay.